Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. So I'm just on my phone, so apologies if I look weird looking over here. Apologies if I look over here. Apologies. Didn't look like this anyway. I'm in Cornwall. Today's Tuesday. I didn't vlog yesterday because I was basically working all day. Let me just pause, friends. Oh, my shoulder. Yeah, I was just working yesterday, doing appointments and what have you, and then we're here today. So today we are, I think we're just gonna chill, and then we're gonna go for dinner with my friend that I'm staying here with, and then a couple of other friends as well. Everywhere is basically booked out for that eat out to help out, and I think because Cornwall is like a tourist attraction as well, not a tourist attraction, a tourist area, a tourist hotspot. I think like it's proper booked out, but we're just basically gonna go to places and beg for seats. But yeah, no, I'm really kind of looking forward to it. The weather's a bit nicer today. Yesterday was awful. It was just raining all day, but today sun's shining and what have you. So yeah, but I thought I would just start the vlog and just kind of show you what I get to in Cornwall. So hope you guys are having a good week, and we'll see you in literally a second. Cutie. Oh yeah. Right, so my plan today is to sort out the hallway. I've got this that I've literally had for months that needs to go to charity because it's just clothes that I'm done with. I've got a few wires that I plugged in there. This needs to go in the store cupboard. This is for the bedroom makeover, which I am doing part today, part tomorrow. And then, and then here I want to put up a mirror, and then I've got a new rack for my face masks and like keys and everything. I don't know if the mirror fits. If it doesn't, there's another one I've got in mind anyway. But if you guys want to know, I'm currently using like little command hooks for the face masks, just so we remember to wear them. I'm obviously bring them with us, but like I said, I've got a new, look how filthy they are. Oh my god. I've got a new thing for that. So this is my task today, and then the bedroom is really, basically the bedroom has been neglected because I'm going to do a makeover in here. I feel like I look really weird. I don't know why. I'm doing like a makeover in here, so I've just been like, let me just put it off into the makeover, put it off to the makeover, to put it off to the makeover. But things keep getting up in the way, and I haven't done the makeover when I thought I was. But we're doing the makeover either today, well, throughout today and tomorrow. But today we're going to do the hallway. I'm not going to film it because there's nowhere for you guys to sit, because it's a hallway. But I've shown you that before. I am going to be keeping my wreath up because I'm the massive Christmas fan ever, and this has stayed up for nearly 3 years. This Christmas will be 3 years that it's been up, and then I will be keeping up this, which is on the other side as well. But it's just going to be like this area, and then down there, and then obviously like we'll clean and like mop and what have you, and I'll film that. But I'm gonna see if this fits first. So I've ordered a little console table to go here, only like a really small one, just to put my little diffuser, because at the moment he lives down there, just to diffuse the whole place, but put him on there. And I really want to get some sunflowers specifically. So up here I've just put the little holder. It's from B&M and it costs £2.99, and it's just got face masks and keys on. And then panning round, I feel like I just don't, you know, I don't look the best at the moment. I've just put up the mirror that I've had, and I haven't had anywhere to put it, and they don't make this particular mirror anymore. It's from IKEA, it's a stave. So I've just put him there. But we've had this sign up for ages that says home, and I don't know if it'll look nice there. Or maybe like putting it on the console table maybe. But he usually lives like right there. But yeah, at the moment, that's it. So the console table comes, I think like early September. So this is all I can really kind of do in here. I'm just gonna mop the floor. All the doors have been cleaned and the handles have been sanitized, even though it is just literally Tom and I that only ever comes in here, but just to sanitize them afterwards as well. So I am going to mop now, and we're gonna tidy up the living room because that's another one that's a mess. I want to do the bedroom, but I do need to go to IKEA to do the bedroom. I don't know if I can bother today. I might do it, oh, I can't even do it this evening, I've got an event. I might do it on Monday when we come back, but we'll see. I just need to go to IKEA to do the bedroom. But yeah, I'm just gonna mop and then move on to, you can just kind of see that room, just like a dumping room at the moment. I got a really exciting, what's that thing called? Event tonight, so they've sent me prep for that. I've got a really exciting collaboration which they sent me stuff for, and it's all just been dumped in the living room, so it just needs to be tidied. It needs to be tidied. But yeah, I'm trying to mop now and then it's done. Right, so we just went to TK Maxx and this is what I got. I did want more pumpkins, but these were like the best out of them. The rest of them were really like scary and school based, and Tom is not a fan of schools, so I just got these two. So I've got like a navy one with gold and he was $9.99, and then a gold one which is kind of like not distressed, but you know what I mean, and he was $7.99. These are catching my eye, so I'll show you. I got two candles, they're from DW Home. I got Vanilla Bean, which is a 1 wick, and then oh, he was $5.99 I want to say. Yeah. And then apple honey butter. There was an apple cider and an apple something else, but the honey butter was like the best, and that's a 2 wick. Finally got a vase because I've never had one, and whenever Tom buys me like flowers, I have to put them in like a pint glass, and I think it's just it's not a vibe anymore. And this was my favorite one that they had, so I got that $6.99. And then I got this. This was at the Q, and I'm a Till Point shopper as it is, but this is my favorite bronzer, and it got discontinued, and I brought one off Depop, and then I just found one in TK Maxx for $3.99. So I was like, absolutely, because like I said, it's my favorite bronzer. And then we picked up these to try, which is the baklavas, I think that's how it is. Authentic Greek pastries. We've never tried them before. They were $2.49, and you get 5, and it's nuts and honey. So I thought we could just try them and see what they're like. But let's smell it. And then Tom got pants, but that's fine. But what I'm thinking is I want to get my sunflowers in here when I get the new console table, and then after that I can either put, that's not gonna fit. Ooh. I can either put like a thin long candle in, and then like pine cones and acorns around, or then when it comes to the winter, like fake snow. I don't know. I'm just feeling very festive as always, but it is 7 o'clock. We've just got back from the TK Maxx to Sainsbury's. Just doing my dinner. I'm having fish cakes and salad. Tom's having fish cakes and rice. Oh, and I've got corn on the cob as well, and an egg. And then I've got my event tonight. So my event is with Cornwall, which is the brand I'm the ambassador for, the underwear, lingerie, nightwear, swimwear brand. We're kind of having like a virtual meeting with everyone who's an ambassador, because obviously with COVID we can't meet in person. So we're having that on Zoom in about 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna look like this as well. I'm not gonna look presentable. But I really want to, this sounds really like nerdy, but I really want to vacuum my corridor outside of the apartment, which is like, that's not our responsibility, that's like the building's responsibility, but because the vacuum is so amazing, I want to use our vacuum outside to see the difference. So I'm gonna quickly do that and then smell this. It's such a miserable day, like so miserable, that I think I may light one of my autumn candles today. We'll see, probably will.
Hey, get a fair share of them at the weekend.
I make a lot of I probably have everyone in the world.
So this is late night stuff with Soph. Basically, because Tom's working from home, it's, let me back up, it's a mess, but like bear with me. It's just a lot. So my thought process is move him and all the belongings to the bottom of the computer, makes sense. And then this bookcase against here, and then I can scooch him in there. Or obviously I can push that back. Oh my god, I hope to God you can't see me because I look absolutely hideous. Push that back and have it on a tilt. But I feel like I'm only going to know how I feel about things when I do it. I will not be recording myself doing it because I am literally wearing basically nothing. My body is not like that. It's not set up like that, and so you'll just see the final look. Okay. Right, ignore the mess. This I like. Put the printer up there. This is like a workstation. Now it does look really heavy here, but the table's got junk on that I need to go through. That's obviously not helping. And these cubbies not being sorted isn't helping. And that will change. So that frame will go. And I might try and get rid of most of the stuff on top of there. Got a clock in the mix down there, which will probably go there. And then above here I want to do like a gallery wall. But it's more practical. So like Tom has like his area to work, and like I said, I'm gonna get a clock there so he's not like bare, but he likes to watch the TV as well. The beanbag has a space, so I've got my space back. It's just, you know, it's the calm, no, it's the storm to get a rainbow, isn't it? You've just got to make things look messy first. But Tom's asleep. It's literally like 10:15 and he's asleep. So I don't know how he feels about it yet. So I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow to find out. But like I said, I'm gonna put the clock up and then sort out the bookshelf. But I'll probably do that tomorrow because I just want to know how he feels first. Because if he's just not feeling it at all, then there's no point. I just don't want the beanbag. None of us use it. He just wants one, and I'm just like, you've never sat in it. Why do we have it? If we didn't have the beanbag, everything over there would look so nice. I might try and incorporate the beanbag into the bedroom. Don't know. Good morning. I've makeup on. Look at that. Who's this girl? We don't know her. We don't know her. It is Friday. I feel like I look more chubbier with makeup on. In my face? Is it just me? Do I look chubbier? Do I really want to ask that? What am I saying? It's Friday and I have just got ready, as you can tell. I'm about to make myself a little cheeky Diet Coke because I've drank my coffee, which means I've had my breakfast, which only means it's Diet Coke time. And then I'm gonna film my clothing haul. I filmed the try-ons before I went away, so I've got all those already. I just need to film like the haul itself. And then depending on time I might film another haul, but I need to edit the clothing haul segments today and upload it for today, so it just depends on time for the second video. And that's all. Tom likes the new setup that we did yesterday. I will show you again in uno momento. Fill up my ice. Always blow through your straw in case there's any shit in between. Yeah, Tom likes the setup. He said it's amazing, and if he likes it, he'll say that. If he's just like meh, he'll be like, oh yeah, it's nice, but he said amazing, so I think he's happy. I don't want to show you too much because obviously like he's like working, so he's got all his important stuff. I don't really know. I don't do officey stuff. But I just need to sort out in here as well. I'm not in any like dire rush to do that. And then like the printer needs to go up there. I didn't do it last night because I just didn't know if he was going to like it, so I didn't know if I've had to move it all back, but he does like it. So when I film the hauls and edit them, then I'll just like pot around and tidy up. But I have my drink. In a sec I will have my drink. I now have my drink and I'm gonna go and film. It just feels so weird to have makeup on. It really does. Hello. Let me turn this off before I get copyrighted. Hey everybody, so it is now Sunday. I am praying to the heavens above that you will see this today, but you will more than likely see it on Monday. I'm currently in my Warsaw clinic, and we're currently obviously in Wolverhampton. The internet at Tom's parents' house is so slow, which is so random because it used to be like ridiculously fast. That's too close. You guys don't want to see that this early in the morning. So it won't be enough for me to upload the vlog, but we're going back tonight because Tom is working tomorrow. He has to work on bank holiday. How times have changed. And we need to go back for him to go back to work. So hopefully, if we get back in time, I can upload this today. If not, it'll be tomorrow. And then going forward, I am basically back at home predominantly. I will have some trips to Cornwall and Glasgow here and there to do my clinics, but I will be back home and back working. But yeah, I'm literally just waiting for my clients to start. I always get to the salon super early because like I just want to make sure that I'm prepped and like ready and like here. So I've got like 20 minutes, but that's okay. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. We went to Cornwall. I tried to like make it as interesting and as fun as possible. Don't worry, I will be washing my hands before my client, and I wear gloves and I sanitize them. So don't worry about that. Yeah, I tried to make it as, you know, fun as possible and show you like literally all that I was doing. All that I've got planned next week is Monday. I'm redoing the bedroom finally at long last. I might take a trip to IKEA, and then I'm working throughout the week, but kind of like here and there. So I'm still gonna be doing stuff around it. Oh my God, my hallway table comes this week as well. I'm so excited. And then I can show you guys in the vlog. And that's all that's really going on, kids. Not a whole heap, but my birthday's coming up. My birthday's the 21st of September. For some reason, it's on a Monday this year, which was really annoying because last year it was a Saturday and somehow we've skipped to Monday. I would really like a Sunday birthday one year. Yeah, if you can figure that out for me. Anyways, I'm literally just babbling, so I will see you later. Bye.